You don't need a shop. Here's 8 ways to diagnose your small engine right from your garage or backyard. We're starting with the free and easy stuff, all the way to the gold standard tools. If you stick around for the leak down test at the end, I messed up. You'll literally hear where the problem's coming from. First things first, check the oil level and condition. Pull the dipstick and look for overfilling, milky color, or fuel dilution. Too much, too little, or contaminated oil can cause smoke and damage. Now just smell it. Smells yeasty? Bad. For the white paper test, put the paper close to the exhaust and watch for oil splatter. Now pull the plug. Is it rich, black? Is it lean, white, or is it all oily? Bad news. Pull your carb off and check if there's any oil pulled up. Now for the bigger stuff. Let's lift the valve cover and check the valve latch. Use a feeler gauge at top dead center on compression stroke to measure the clearance between the rocker arm and the valve stem. If you see here, I'm at the lowest sized gauge rated for the exhaust valve and it's not anywhere close to fitting. I have a feeling that might be the main cause of our issue. It could have damaged the valve. Proper lash keeps things running smoothly and prevents burning oil or misfires. Not usually the main culprit, but it can damage other parts and let oil pass through the valve. I just got these kits off of Amazon. If you're ever interested in the tools I use, I have them all linked down in the description. First tool is the compression tester. You want to cycle the engine 5 times while having the throttle wide open. After cycling 4 times, check what it is, pull 1 more time. If it goes up, then keep going. For the leak down test, you will need an air compressor. I completely butched this test. I didn't realize what I was doing. I didn't hold the engine in place at top dead center, so it just kept spinning the engine on me and I thought that it was leaking from the exhaust. It is definitely not, and I think he's good to go now. I think the only issue was that valve. I am going to release a video eventually specifically covering the leak down test. This is the things you want to check though. The oil port, exhaust, and intake. I do want to keep an eye on it just in case that valve is damaged, but now it's just let Calvin ride and see how it goes. Until then, thank you for watching, stay safe, peace.